Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. So this is a pretty simple process, and all you really need for tools is a T20 Torx bit of some kind. It can be a T-handle or a ratchet like this, doesn't matter. But we're going to come up here and loosen this T20 Torx screw right here. You don't need to take it out, just loosen it. Then you'll be able to lift your mirror off like that. There's a connector on the back side of the mirror here. So you're just going to push down on this tab right here, and then you can pull out on that connector. There it is, you've got your mirror out. So all you had to do was push on this little tab right here and pull out on that connector. And then you can put your new mirror back in. Pretty simple. Install in reverse order. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.